Alam niya yan that the end of the day, Marcos pa rin yan siya. Pati Duterte rin kami dito. We are in the best of our years of friendship with Amy. We value her pinapakita niya sa amin. Kaibigan lang yan eh. Wala. Walang exchange of gifts. Kaibigan lang talaga. Yung kaibigan niya sila ni Inday. Pero Inday and I realize, and I me also, alam niya yan that the end of the day, Marcos pa rin yan siya. Pati Duterte rin kami dito. Kung sakali man magkaroon kami ng pagkaunawa o we understand each other in the future, well and good. Pero pag hindi, nandito ako sa opposition. I have never changed parties. Just like my father was a 3-term governor sa Mandaluyong. Nationalista yan siya. And he supported Marcos. Marcos iniwan ang liberal kasi hindi sila makaintindihan ni Macapagal. Bulog. So my father supported him. But during the first cabinet ni Marcos, my father was a member of the first cabinet of Marcos. So, may talaga kami kay Marcos, may connection kami. Pero yun, what is true for the maybe father might not really be true for the next generation. Pero yan ang historical na ties namin. Tatay ko Marcos talaga.